Welcome to the Daily Health Digest, your quick dose of the most important health news from the last 24 hours. I'm your host, and today we're exploring 5 fascinating discoveries that are changing how we think about our health. Let's kick off with some potentially incredible news for Parkinson's disease. Imagine knowing you might develop Parkinson's years before the tremors start. Well, scientists writing in the journal Brain have found a possible early warning signal, a specific protein in spinal fluid that seems to be elevated long before any motor symptoms show up. This could be huge for early detection and treatment, giving us a real chance to slow things down. This exciting study was just published online, February 10th. Next up, let's talk about childhood asthma, something so many families deal with. Research in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology is digging into the connection between gut bacteria and how severe a child's asthma might be. They found that kids with tougher asthma cases often have less diverse gut bacteria and more of the bad kind. This is interesting because it suggests we might be able to help manage asthma, maybe even lessen it, by focusing on gut health through diet or things like probiotics. This research also popped up online very recently, on February 11th. Now, shifting gears to your heart. Artificial intelligence is making waves again. Scientists have created an AI model that's surprisingly good at predicting heart failure risk, even better than current methods. This smart system, detailed in Circulation, Heart Failure Asterisk, looks at tons of health data to spot people at risk up to 5 years in advance. Think about it. Earlier warnings, earlier action, and maybe a real chance to reduce the impact of heart failure. This study also came out online on February 11th. In cancer research, there's a hopeful development in the fight against melanoma. A study in Cancer Cell Asterisk has figured out a sneaky way melanoma tumors can dodge immunotherapy. Apparently, some melanoma cells get clever and ramp up production of a certain enzyme, creating a shield against the immune system. But here's the good part. This discovery also points to a possible fix. By targeting this enzyme alongside immunotherapy, we might be able to break down that resistance and make treatments work even better. This important finding was published online in Cancer Cell Asterisk on February 11th. Finally, let's peek into our genes for clues about Alzheimer's. A massive genetic study in Nature Communications has identified a gene, LAPT1, that seems to be strongly linked to a higher risk of Alzheimer's. This gene appears to be involved in how brain cells handle amyloid, which is a big player in the disease. This genetic link could really open up new paths for developing drugs that target LAPT1, offering new hope for treating Alzheimer's down the line. This research was published in Nature Communications on February 11th. And that wraps up your daily health digest for today. Stay curious, stay well, and tune in tomorrow for more of the latest health breakthroughs.